Guys, welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I am going to show you my 4 recent projects on Adobe XD. I am also going to share that from where I have learned Adobe XD and what's the learning experience of UI UX design. So let's get started. So this is my first project on UI UX design. So on the screen you can see a basic web page. Here I had used two grids over here where whose opacity I had lowered down to 2 or 3%. Here you can see the logo and the company's name, sign up button and a date, random date, then a travel caption, two social media icons, and the background image is of a person sitting in between the mountains and lakes. So the caption and the background image gives a feeling or sensation. It was just the beginning of UI UX design for me. So my third project is of an e-commerce app design. So in this project I had displayed some products, and if you click on that product it will show you the colors in which they are available and the details of the product, and I have also prototyped some of the buttons. So let's get started with the app. So if you swipe this button you will move to the next page. Now let's see. So if I click this and swipe it over here, you move to the next page. Here in this user interface, it will show you the name of the app, the brands, some of the random brands. Actually, I didn't get the logos of JBL and all that, so I use these icons. So here I have displayed some of the products along with their name, pricing, and rating. So on the footer area, I have used a home button icon, liked products, bag, or where you can do the add to cart, invoices, and your profile. So now if you click over this product, it will take you towards the availability and description of the product. So now here the product is available, product image, colors in which they are available, and the details of the product. You can either directly buy it now or add to the cart. Here, while displaying the product, I have given a triangle. I have rotated a bit to give it a unique look to the interface. Now, by clicking on this button, you get to move towards the next product. Here, it shows the next product, colors in which they are available, and the details, same as the previous one. You can also move back to the previous product which you have viewed recently. So my third project is of a travel web page which I had done it in 7 segments, but at last I selected all of them and did Ctrl plus G, in which all 7 segments were grouped into one and made it into a single web page. So you can see it on screen. Here I have given the brand name, and in the header I have given destination, hotel, flights, bookings. You can log in, sign up, use the required language in which you can understand. I've also given several catchy captions that are suitable for the travel website, travel, enjoy, and live anew. Then I have given two buttons to find out more about the website and to play a demo to get a user experience of the website. These are not responsive right now. If I enable it someday, you can see it. Then, secondly, the second segment is the category in which the website says about the best services it offers, like the calculated weather or the best flights which are available, or the local events which are taking place, or it will also show you a customized travel for you. The third segment shows you the top destinations where most of the people prefer. I have selected Rome, London, and Europe, and the days of travel and the cost of the tickets. Here I have used a flower basically, and I have hide that flower so that the complete flower is not visible, but some of the shapes are visible and it gives a unique or catchy look. The fourth segment says about booking about your next trip, in which you choose your travel plan, make the payment, and choose selected date to reach the airport. And in the fifth segment, I have given a testimonial in which what people say about the website. And these testimonials are taken from Google. Images are also taken from different websites, and all the links will be placed in the description. So you can follow that from that. And this is the, I think, fifth segment or sixth segment in which I have taken different images of random companies and pasted over here. And this is another segment for newsletter in which you can just type the email and subscribe to get latest updates of the website or special offers. And at last, the footer, which is available in each and every website, and it's almost same: name of the brand, some taglines, and about the company or carriers or affiliate, and in which platforms the apps available. And you can also connect the users to the social media. So this was the basic travel web page. My fourth project is of a music app which literally took me hours, or you can stay days together to create this app, as it was difficult for me to gather particular icons and to decide the font colors and style of writing. So I've given radio station as the name of the musical app, as I didn't have any creative name. Then if you get into the app, you get to log in or sign up. Here I have wireframed a voice command in which, by pressing the space bar and saying sign up, you can directly move to the sign up page. Now I'm pressing the space bar and saying sign up, you can see it. Sign up. So it literally took 0.2 seconds to move to the sign up page. And if you again press the space button and you have previously logged in but now you have forgot the password, you can press the space bar and say forgot password. Okay, think some issue is there. Let me try again. For forgot password. Forgot password. Yeah, now it worked. And if you have forgotten the password, you can just give the email address and get the password for your app. So now if you move to the previous button, you get towards the sign up page, and if you get to the next button, you move to the playlist or list of songs. Then here it shows the popular broadcast. This also I have prototyped with another page. If I click it over here, it takes to a list of songs which shows you about the popular broadcasts. And here there's a radio genre which shows all the categories in which musics are available. See, all adult contemporary, adult rock, all these are taken from Google. I don't know all these category of music. And here it says the Jordan Harbinger Show. If I click it over here, it will take me to the Jordan Harbinger Show, and you can click here and listen to the music. but this button is not responsive now as I have not attached any song. Then next we move to the search bar. How we can get to this? I have prototyped this search bar. So now if I click on this search bar, it will take me to this page, and this shows the recently searched musics. If I click on this music, it will take me to this music which has another list of musics. Then it also shows you where your nearest offline events are happening. Here it's your location and here it's the destined location for the event. Then how can you get to the radio broadcast? See, by clicking at this radio station, you can get to the latest radio broadcast, and if you click at your profile over here, you can see your profile. And for more options, if you have playback, you can connect to a device, you have social media things to share. If you want to enhance the music quality, if you want to know more about the music app, if I click playback, it will show you all the playback options, and if you click back over here, you get to the more page again. If you want to connect to any of the devices, you can click it over here. All these are actually prototyped with another pages, so you can see all these responsive buttons, so you can connect to computer, TV, Wi-Fi, Chromecast, anything. So if I click back button over here, it again came to this space. And if you want to share it with any of the social media, you can connect it to Facebook or Google. Again, on clicking back button, you came over here. If you want to enhance the music quality, you can click it over here. You can download using your own data, or you can set the equalizer, or you can stream automatically. If you click the back button, you came to this space again. Now you want to know more about the app. So what you can do, you can click it over here about us. It will show you version, terms and conditions, policy, support, logout. Now I have just added the terms and conditions page. All these pages I have not added till now. So if I click the terms and condition, it will show you this page. So this was all for that. So now if you have watched the video till here, so now let me tell you from where I have learned UI UX design. So I watched a basic tutorial or a beginner's tutorial video on Adobe XD and advanced tutorial on Adobe XD from the YouTube channel Envato Tuts. From there you can learn that, and if you have watched the video till here, click the subscribe button, share it with your friends and learn more.